A felony criminal record in California can really mess up your life. It can cost you thousands of dollars in income, make it more difficult to get quality housing, more difficult to obtain professional license, and even more difficult to travel abroad. It will also make it illegal for you to own or possess a firearm. The good news is that for many cases, the felony can be expunged and even reduced to a misdemeanor, which can often make all of those problems go away. This video, we will be discussing what expungement does, how to determine if you are eligible, and the benefits of expunging and reducing your record. California has one of the best expungement laws in the country. California Penal Code 1203.4 is the law that allows for expungement of certain felony convictions. If your California case was not a felony, or if it did not result in a conviction, or if you were sentenced under realignment authorized by California Penal Code 1170, which is fairly uncommon, you need to see one of our other videos. Expungement in California does not destroy or seal a criminal record. It changes it by replacing the finding of guilt with the finding of not guilty and changing the disposition of the case from convicted to dismissed. You can then say you were not convicted of the offense. The benefits of this are huge, but first, let's talk about what it takes to be eligible. Being eligible for expungement boils down to three things. First, you must have received and completed probation, including paying all fines. Also, if you are still on probation, you can ask the court to end your probation early, which would immediately make you eligible for expungement. You could learn more about ending your probation early by clicking the link on the screen. Second, you must not be serving any other sentence, nor be facing any new charges in any state. Third, you must not have been convicted of certain sex offenses that require registration as a sex offender under California Penal Code 290. Here's a list of the offenses that would disqualify you from expunging your felony. Click pause if you need more time to read them. When we are in the process of expunging your felony record, we will always fight to get the judge to reduce your felony to a misdemeanor. We do not charge extra for this process. However, not every case will be eligible for reduction. Let's look at how to determine if you are eligible to reduce your felony. California Penal Code Section 17B is the law that allows some felonies to be reduced to misdemeanors if the following two conditions are met. The first condition is where it gets tricky, because you need to research the law as it was at the time that you were arrested. The law at the time you were arrested must have allowed the judge the discretion to sentence your case to county jail. Second, the judge must not have sentenced you to prison or given you a suspended prison sentence. Some drug-related felonies and theft-related felonies involving values of less than $950 are reducible under California Proposition 47. Click pause if you need more time to read the list. As you can see, understanding if you're eligible to have your felony reduced for expungement can be a complicated process. Luckily, we have an easy solution. Our attorneys have designed an online eligibility test. Simply enter the facts about your case and our test will determine if you are eligible. The information that you provide during the test is kept confidential. Alright, let's talk about some of the benefits of expunging or reducing your felony. An expungement will allow you to truthfully say that you were not convicted when you go to apply for a job or housing. You will only need to disclose the expungement in three very limited circumstances. The most notable is when you are applying for a state license. Expungement can make it easier to get or maintain a professional license, even though you need to disclose the expunged case. The biggest benefit, however, comes from California Labor Code 432.7, which our law firm helped write. That section of the law makes it illegal for background check companies to provide information about expunged cases, and if employers learn about an expunged case, it is illegal for them to consider it when making a hiring decision. Having your felony reduced to a misdemeanor can restore your firearm rights if done under California Penal Code 17B. It can make you eligible for certain jobs in the military, law enforcement, and other government sectors that you would not otherwise be eligible for. It also can make it easier to get or maintain professional licenses. As you can see, these benefits are huge. Now let me answer a few common questions. Will I have to go to court? Our attorneys will prepare written evidence and go to court for you when necessary. It is very rare that our clients need to attend court with us, and it only happens about 2% of the time. What are my chances of success? This is a very difficult question to answer because each court, judge, and case are different. However, our success rate on felony expungement when there is no probation violation is about 98%. Our success rate on cases with a probation violation is still very high. It's about 85%. If you'd like a personalized analysis of your case, please give us a call and we'd love to talk to you about it. What if my request for an expungement or reduction is denied? The good news is this rarely happens, but when it does, we could almost immediately file a motion for the judge to reconsider the decision, or we can appeal to a higher court. If your case is denied, you'll most likely be getting all or some of your money back from us. If you have more questions, post them below, and I will do my best to answer them. We have a deep commitment to helping people clear their criminal records so that they can have a better life. We do more than just practice expungement law. We help write and define the law. We create important services to make sure that background check companies quickly update your record and reduce the chance that your expunged record will still be showing up on a background check. Click here to watch a video and learn more about this important service. We have helped thousands of people get a second chance in life, and we would love the opportunity to help you too. To see if you are eligible for expungement or any of the other services that we offer, please take the online eligibility test by clicking the link on the screen or call us at the number below.